Chunnu Munnu runs land.
Wake up, the sun is here. Chunnu and Munnu give a cheer. They sing a song so bright and new. The sky is clear, the ocean's blue, with laughter ringing through the air. Summer magic's everywhere. Down to the beach with sandy toes, they dance where the salty breeze blows. Shells and starfish in their hands, they sing their tunes across the sands. With ukuleles strumming loud, they gather a happy dancing crowd. Time for a break, the heat is high. Chunnu and Munnu reach for the sky, singing about ice cream sweet. Every flavor is a treat. Vanilla, mango, chocolate swirl. They sing and spin and twirl and twirl. As the sun begins to dip, they sail a boat on a summer trip, singing softly to the waves, making memories summer saves. Colors paint the evening sky, and their summer song floats by. Begin to shine, Chunnu and Munnu feel divine. With a campfire glowing bright, they sing their hearts out through the night. With every note and melody, they kick off summer endlessly.